guys, you're welcome back to New Tech, and in this new video I'm going to be showing you a nifty feature on the Chrome browser that lets you open two tabs in one. Now this feature is suitable for multitasking. It allows you to open two browsers in one tab. Now as you can see on my screen, now the way to do this is to click on the one separate tab and right click on it, and then you'd see the option that says move tab into split view. So as soon as you click on this, it's going to split your view and just oppose two tabs into one for you. And now if it happens that this feature is not working, one of the two things you need to do is to update your Chrome browser. And to do that, just come to the top right corner here, click on the menu, and then click on help, click on about Google Chrome, and make sure that you have the latest version of Google Chrome installed. Then the next thing you'd want to do is to come to Chrome flags, and then you'd want to search for side by side. Then under the split view, make sure that you have this enabled as well. So once you do this, you can go ahead and relaunch Chrome and try to use the feature. Once you have a splitted view like this, a couple of things you can do is you can adjust the screen to fit your workflow. For example, you can have it this way, or you can have it proportionate. Another thing you can do is you can switch views. Now, for example, if you right click again, and then under the option, you can see reverse views. So that allows you to switch left to right and vice versa. So if I click on this, then you can see that we now have the Google Cloud page on this other side, while FreePick has been moved to the right side of the screen. So basically, that's how to make use of this feature. So guys, try this and let me know what you think about this new feature in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting tips like this.